Welcome to the third week of Country Waltz. Tonight we're working on getting into promenade from basic, doing a turn, inside turn from promenade back into promenade, and then we're going to do an inside turn back into basic, and then we end with the lovely dip. So we're going to get into promenade from basic. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Outside turn, he switches hands on me, and we're just gonna move around the dance floor like this. We can even switch sides in promenade, switching it up. We can go back to the other side. Okay, here we go, and then we're gonna do an inside turn back into side promenade. Wave to the cameras, Dave. Woo! Okay, now we're going to do an inside turn back into basic. Okay, let's get back in the promenade and do that one more time. So we can let's face the cameras. And we're going to do an inside turn back into basic. Back into basic. And we're going to end with a lovely dip. Song is ending. Inside turn, waist, neck, lunge, dip, ding. And turn.